Well, I'm recording now. So, what are your thoughts? You think it's the same one? Or you'd be all the hunchback kind of guy now? Tell me what you know about it.
Because there's the same letter?
I think it is the same one. Sam was climbing around on this one here a few months ago. We have a 7280B Cypress grapple yarder, one of Newton's machines. We're in Missachi Lake and the snow is coming down. We're going out to visit a friend out at Kaikus this weekend here. It's Remembrance Day. Seen this on the side of the road. Figured we'd drop on in, eh, Belle?
Yes.
Trying to catch snowflakes with your tongue. It's kind of a miserable day. I think this has been moved out over the Cowichan Main and South Shore. I guess through the back of here, and now it's sitting in Missachi Lake. It was out in Franklin Division. If it's not the same yarder, I'd have to look at the number right there, 14, but I'm pretty sure this is the same machine. Maybe it's different. Not every day that you see one with the boom all laid out. No, it's a big one. Couple of war horses over there. That's a big one. Looks like it's had a few hours of use, judging from the dents on the boom. You all good there, buddy? I think this might be a different one. This one's a little bit more beat up. That one that was out at Franklin. I'd have to go and look at the numbers. It's had some undercarriage work done to it. Fresh yellow on the rails.
Behind you. It's a cigarette lighter.
Oh yeah, an old cigarette lighter? Really?
Yeah, I found it lighter right behind it.
Oh, okay.
It's a big lighter.
Okay. Careful not to fall on my behind. Wonder what's in this. Whoa, watch your fingers. You okay? K19 Cummins. You all good? Don't be climbing up there.
What?
Not safe for your little guy like you to climb up there by yourself. Hop over beside me. I'm gonna let you down. Okay, I'll let you down. So there we are. We've seen the mighty 7280B Cypress. You got anything more to say? Okay, well there we are. So we're up Missachi shop here of Newton's. Figure walk over and get this here. This one's getting some money spent on it. It's 4800 Medill. Behind that's a 992D deer. I've actually seen this loader working out at Franklin. This one here ran a iMac button top on it. Big Medill, they don't make these anymore. 3800C is the biggest they make. So these ones here get rebuilt over and over. This one here is getting a bunch of work done to it. New full-length rock guards, new idlers, new bottom rollers, new sprockets. Broken a bunch of pads out. Run the sprockets down to nubs, I see. Big unit, 4800. Big unit. Got an old Hayes and an off-highway low bed there in the back, I see. What do you think, everybody?
Not much.
Pretty good hit there in the corner of the counterweight. But yeah, this is the old Mackenzie shop from back in the 1950s here and behind. And it was the Hayes. Malcolm Mosley had it for a while back in the 80s, late 70s as well. Far cry now, hardly anything in the yard here. But yeah, this is Newton's 992D, which actually isn't in that bad a shape. Back spar unit. Big Osco, big shift block here. So I pulled the cylinder off of 4800 or something here. Looks like some Medill red. Gotta like the bucket there on the back spars. Just down to nubs. No teeth at all, just whatever you can do to grub a trail into the dirt. Actually, on the whole, the machine actually doesn't look too bad. Had a swap here from a 400-1 cab, a -1 cab period. I guess the cab got pounded apart. See anything interesting, Sam? You want to climb up in there? No? Okay. The LCs ran the 3 top carrier rollers. Sprockets are actually surprisingly in good shape. Came from Blanche and then Langley at one point, this cab. The old original stencil in the back there from when it came over on the boat from Japan. Deer Hitachi machinery made in Japan. Destination Vancouver. Interesting. Right by the Raycor. Had a big section patched in right there, I see. But yeah, I know it's actually not that bad a shape. And the thumb all caved in underneath. No, it's not. It's good. Anyway, we should get going here. Everyone's starting to get chilly. Ready to get going, buddy? Let's get going.
So I head up to Kaiku.
Let's go. Ready to go to Kaikus? Let's go. What do you think, Sam? Hey, look at me. Hey? Yeah.
What? Yeah, that's fine. It's not a
Ready?
That's where all the mud goes.
Don't do serious, I'll
Keep
push
the
it
snow
off.
off the clean, off the dirty.
Whoa!
Got my way.
Welcome. Oh, sorry, dude.
I'm trying to get that one.
Here, reload it.
My dad, please.
Good job, Sam. You did great. Dad's proud of you.
Okay, you're on your own. Where's the safety? Get your finger off the freaking trigger.
Yep.
Take your time.
Yep.
Safety back until you're ready to shoot.
Yep. Just think about what you're going to do first, and then do it.
Do you want to put this? No. Trying to deal with the one with the gift.
Okay.
Here we go. Nice job.
Oh, I see pumpkin on that one.
I love it.
My turn?
No, don't load it before somebody else gets a chance, okay?
Oh,
Okay, Miley.
I'm gonna put it on safety.
It's alright, it's open.
Uh-huh.
Okay, you out. Miley in.
Can I see where I shoot?
Okay, go. Go check. Uncle Shawnee gets a chance. One shot.
One shot, one kill. Sniper style.
Not this one. One turn.
For it.
Can you see with those big bottle caps?
Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. Oh, out she comes.
It's coming right for us! Run!
Right on.
Barely touching the pumpkin. Eh?
Yeah, it's getting out there a little bit.
Holy!
Okay, Jade, you want to try 22?
Sure.
Or 12 gauge? 12 gauge is fine.
Get out.
What is that, Mossberg, or what is
You
that?
can shoot freehand.
Winchester? Okay.
Good 10. Couple, take 3 shots. Back up, guys, and make sure you're in front of everybody.
Take 3?
Huh?
Yes, I take 3.
Who?
Jade.
How many did you take?
2.
Hey, buddy.
Okay, you get
I took 2.
Okay, Jade, you get 2.
Do I have to plug my ears?
Nice. Good job. Beauty. Good job.
Jade, put it in the
Yeah, always keep that barrel down. Or up.
Shoot, Rick.
Watch out, Kenna.
Just 3. One in the chamber. I shoot one after.
It's really loud. He's not ready yet.
I'm getting used to it.
Now he is. He's ready.
All right, here goes the boss. Yeah. Right on.
Compared to mine.
Girls out of the way.
Miley, get back here. Beat you overhead with the
Never
stick.
put your finger on that trigger until you're ready to go.
Well then, what do you,
Okay.
you know better?
All right.
Oh,
Ready?
it's not closed.
Okay.
You're just getting
Here we
ready.
go. Ready? Okay, locked in. Here we go. Okay, Sam. You squeeze when you're ready.
This is the 22.
Oh!
Oh,
Do it again. Here, hold on. Wait. Do it again. You ready? Oh, you did her again. One more. Okay, here we go again. Wait, don't take your finger off that trigger. Okay, squeeze when ready.
Daddy.
Oh, you did her again.
My turn.
Jade with a 30-30.
Okay,
What?
give her.
Give her. Show us how it's done, Jade. Nice job. Here we go. Yeah.
Okay, go see if you hit it.
Okay.
Nice job.